Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really nice 4-pack of folding chairs. These are actually great chairs because they would be fantastic for any event like a wedding, beach type party, or just to use around a table around the house. You could even use them like at a garage sale because these things are really comfortable. They also only weigh just a little over 5 pounds a piece, so they're not extremely heavy, but they are durable and they're built with this really nice material here that's going to last for many years. You've got a nice texture on here as well. Really kind of got a micro curve around the back as well as the backrest as well, so it's going to give it a little more ergonomic feel, allowing you to sit on them for a considerable amount of time. They also do fold up extremely thin, so you can stack these, not take up a lot of space. I know that's really important to me, especially if I'm going to be putting them in storage for most of the time. These will stack out of the way really well. They also are engineered with nice thick steel frames on here as well, and a nice steel plate. That's going to help keep the rigidity of this going and also allow this to hold up to 300 pounds, so that it actually can hold quite a bit of weight on these chairs as well. So really nice set of chairs, would work well for pretty much any occasion or event. Thank you guys again for sending them.